So here we're still talking about naming points, lines, and planes, or undefined terms, which are things that we can all agree upon. And so let's look here. It tells us to name the geometric terms modeled by the objects in this picture. So this looks like a board where we pin things up. And let's start with G. It looks like G is a pin, right? That you could pin this, looks like paper on to this board. So we could say G, the G is a point G. So I'm going to actually write this out. So the push pin models point G. We're going to name this. Remember, we name points with capital letters. So that could be our first one. The second thing we can see is that the maroon border on this card models a line. So all the way around this border, whatever this card is or whatnot, it resembles a line, right? Of course, it stops. It doesn't go on forever, but you get the idea. So we can say I'm not sure if it's a maroon or whatnot, but the border on the card or piece of paper models line GH. Remember, we can name a line using 2 points. And I just want to point out that that's one of the most powerful tools in mathematics is using numbers, using symbols to represent the world around us. And so that's what we're doing. Let's do the next one. So the edge of the card models another line, right? There's another line, HJ, we can say. So we can do the same thing here. So the edge of the card models another line HJ. And I'm just going to go ahead and underline what we're naming. We named a point. We found another line. 2 lines we found so far. The last thing is that the card itself models a plane, right? So a plane obviously goes infinitely in both directions, in all directions. But we use a paper-like picture to represent what a plane is. And so the card itself models a plane, and we're going to call the plane by 3 points on that plane. 3 points on that plane is F, G, and J. We could have also named it F, H, J. There's, once again, different ways of naming planes, just as long as we use 3 points. Hope this helps.